Okay, so welcome back, everyone. This is now the lab 4.4 lab 4, I guess it is, right? So this operating system to Nelson from this side. It's being creative to Giovanni, right? So we're gonna create a new VM, right? Just come to the same place you know before. Hyper-V Manager, you create new virtual machine. uh I'm not gonna actually create it because I don't have an ISO I can use, so I'm not gonna do it. But you just click next, you put a name to it. Alright, I'm gonna put this. It's gonna be a test VM. Store it whatever you want. You have two generations, right? The first generation is the old one, supports everything. The second generation is like the new one, the big BBDBB, right? That's that. And now you assign memory to it. I only have like 4 GB assigned to this, so I'm just gonna leave one to it. Like, fuck it. Okay, so where am I connected to? Here you select where you're gonna connect it to. This is what we created on 4.2. So now you select a VHD, all right? So here's where it is at, and here you put the size to it. Remember, I only gave 20 to this one, so I'm just gonna go 12 for this one, right? Fuck it. And this is creating a new one. All right, this is using an system disk. So this is the disk we created before. All right, it's right in there. You click on that. That's it. Well, if I specify generation wise, it's gonna ask me for, or if I specify a new hard disk. Oh yeah, yeah. If you specify like an existing hard disk, it's not gonna ask you for the ISO installation. So I'm just gonna let it to create a new one, right? And here is like where you select where the ISO is for you to install it. Like if you have an image of an operating system, you use it. If you don't have it, just fuck it, you don't use it. But I don't have it, so I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just gonna leave it on. I'm just gonna install it later. Yeah. So here it is. Here you have the summary of whatever the fuck you're gonna use. And notice that this is not asking me as VMware. Remember when we did it on VMware was done. I was like, how many cores do you want to assign to it? But this is not asking me for any cores. This is because this kind of like core management and shit is done separately, and it uses all the cores developed. It manages it in it itself, and it uses cores. Is crazy on that part. Well, I'd say sometimes amazing, sometimes crazy. So after you do that, it creates the things it's gonna create. It's probably gonna fill on the disk because there's a not disk in it. There you go. So I'm just gonna rename the disk name. I'm gonna put a test 2, right? And I'm gonna finish it because the disk failed because there was another disk with it. So there you go. That's how you create it. That's the way it works. That's it. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you on the next one.